Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I am a cartoonist and an author of many books in drawing cartoons and manga and figure drawing. Today I'd like to kind of answer a question I've been getting, which is how do you come up with new characters, character designs? And the way to really come up with them, I think, is to start with the structure of the face, not the individual features, but the face itself. So let's start off with a very generic face, and we'll adjust this as we go, and then I'll do it over in ink. So we have a very typical sort of face right here. Well, let's start adjusting this thing. So that's the head. Let's bring in the sides of the jaw. So bring it in down here like this. And bring the neck down here. All of a sudden we're starting to see something has its own unique flavor to it. And let's go further. Let's angle this in here. Just carving away at this thing. Straight here. So now we have a very definite head shape. It's starting to give us a feeling of a character. I'm actually going to bring this in a little further. Yeah, I think that looks better. It's a little goofier. No chin at all. Alright, so I'm going to put the head, the eye line a little lower and add a couple of eyes here. Staring straight ahead at us. And I'm going to give him glasses in a minute. First, let me just put the nose. Give him a nice smile. Kind of a goofy smile, actually. Give him big glasses, spaced evenly apart. Lenses are evenly spaced apart. And now I'll give him a little bit of a hairdo like this. So this becomes the hairline right here. That's the collar. I'll give him a little bit of a goatee right over here. I'm going to move this in just even a little bit more. That's right. And I'm going to add ink in a minute. We'll see how that comes to life. Okay, so look at a very unique head shape. We're noticing the look of the head rather than just the features. So if you just work on the features, you're kind of cheating yourself. You've got a whole bunch of tools that you can use that you have not used yet. Okay, get that in, and the eyebrows just inside the lenses of the glasses, which is a funny look. I'll try to keep these even. I'll have to move the paper as I go. Here we go. Nice thick glasses, a bridge in between. I never like the have the frames, the arms hit the ears. They should just float over. It's a funny look. But it's a very symmetrical character. Everything is just absolutely straight on. Get the smile down. And the ears will stick straight out, which is a funny look. Okay, now let's bring this down. Nice hard lines on the side. Nice bold lines, because remember the shape of the head is a feature in itself. So you want to make it thick and purposeful looking. We'll give him that goatee, and now I'll shade in some of the hair along this hairline here. There we go. So you start to see how the look of the shape of the head is an actual player in the character design. And there you go. That is one of your secrets to character design. More coming, so please subscribe. I upload new videos every week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.